Ladies and gentlemen, today we showed you some very complex fields of development. The application of these technologies is definitely a great challenge to our business. It seems very difficult to implement these in a smart and meaningful way. And it is. But we love challenges. And we did our job building a vehicle that shows what the van of tomorrow can accomplish. With a fully automated loading space, integrated delivery drones, and a unique way of communication between driver and environment. Driving locally emission-free and delivering goods without any noise. A van that offers the intelligence of a modern logistic hub and enabling new ways for same-day and time-definite delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present the future of Mercedes Benz Vision Van. So, ladies and gentlemen, what a great vehicle, isn't it? I can tell you we are all very proud of it. It will support deliveries in many ways. Most impressive is, of course, the drone delivery. You can get your parcel when you are out of home. Just pick it up from the drone box when you come back, like Sebastian. Great. And I hope you had a great time here at our Van Innovation Campus. I told you about the future of our business, and you experienced our projects, ideas, and innovations. I told you at the beginning, Mercedes-Benz Vans in 2020 will be a different company than today. This van will be our vanguard of change. So, please join me on stage to take a closer look and some pictures. Thank you very much.
We started the project Vans and Drones because MB Vans is constantly exploring into new fields of business and technologies to offer the best value for our customer. With Matternet, we have found an innovative and experienced partner, and with combining our assets and their assets, we see a lot of potential for future applications.
Well, in most cities today, there is severe traffic. There is certain windows of time when it's almost impossible to get between places easily. That means very high cost and very much time spent on the road.
Vans and Drones is an integrated delivery service, and it starts with a mobile application which can be used to order items directly at the construction site. When the order is placed, it will be dispatched from a retail store directly via a drone, and the drone is then traveling from the retail store to our Mercedes Benz van.
Through this partnership with Mercedes Benz, we integrated technology in the roof of the van to create a safe landing zone on the van roof. The drone automatically is routed to that location. It then senses a beacon in the roof of the van and lands on it safely in a fully autonomous way.
When the drone is in its final approach to the van, the customer has to confirm with its mobile application that it's safe to land, and when he gave the confirmation, the drone lands on rooftop, drops the item onto the roof and launches back again to the retailer, and the customer can retrieve the ordered items directly from the rooftop of our van.
I believe that drones will enable a new way to access goods every day. We will be able to access goods on demand and be able to receive them very fast, very cheaply, at the location of our choice. In Mercedes-Benz, we found a partner that is not only synonymous with quality, safety, reliability, efficiency, but also a partner that is willing to imagine and create the future with us.
With Slider, we are redefining the cargo space as we know it. The system makes optimum use of the available space. The aisle for the driver is no longer necessary. This means more goods can be delivered with the same vehicle. Refrigerated and frozen goods can also be transported in Slider alongside regular freight, enabled by 3 climate zones on board. Plus, the Slider shelves are filled separately. The goods run through a scanner. The put-by-light system informs the picker where to put each shipment. The shelves move automatically to the rear. First, the refrigerated and frozen shelves are pulled in, followed by the normal freight. When the shelves retract, the system not only knows whether all shipments are in the vehicle, but also exactly where they are. The perfect route is calculated, and the vehicle is now ready to leave. The goods and their shelf location are stored in the onboard system, as is the route. The driver is informed of the next destination and the number of shipments for delivery. Also, the customer receives a message about when the delivery will arrive. Keyless access ensures that the doors open and close automatically. The pick-by-light system shows the driver which shipment to take. If the driver misses part of the shipment, he is informed via a warning tone or vibration alarm, thus eliminating unnecessary repeat journeys. And so the order arrives with the customer reliably and on time, every time. Back in the hub, the empty shelves leave the vehicle, completely automatically. A new load is already waiting. Forwarder is a groundbreaking solution in last-mile logistics. A total of 12 rows of racking make optimum use of the load space, with no need for an aisle for the driver. This means that more goods can be delivered on a single trip. The pre-sorted shipments are brought to the vehicle. The delivery driver scans each shipment by hand. The put-by-light system shows him the correct row in which to place it. The transport securing mechanism rises, and the shipment automatically slides further into the vehicle. Each row is filled this way, one by one. The vehicle is now ready to leave. The navigation system shows the next destination, the name of the customer, and the number of shipments. The customer also receives a message in advance on when the delivery will arrive. When the vehicle comes to a halt, the partition to the load space moves to the side. The driver is able to reach the goods without getting out of the vehicle, saving valuable time. He doesn't have to search for long. The pick-by-light system shows him where the goods are located. If the driver misses part of the shipment, he is informed via a warning tone or vibration alarm, thus eliminating unnecessary repeat journeys. Keyless access ensures that the doors open and close automatically. With short paths and no lengthy searching, the driver is able to focus on the task in hand. Each and every delivery thus arrives on time, every time, and on long routes too.